Now, meteorologist Jamie Jarosik and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Temperatures are in the mid-40s. It's a chilly start to the day, a lot colder than yesterday morning when we were in the 60s. And we're not going to climb very fast at all today. We have a brisk west wind ushering in the colder air. So we're only going to be up near 49 as we head through noon. And it does look like we become mostly cloudy through that time as well. Clouds are already increasing in the Dayton area, and that will continue. Our forecast high today, 51 degrees. Notice how big the temperature spread is from north to south across the area. Northern counties will be in the 40s. Lima's right around 44, just outside of our area. And then Cincinnati, 60 degrees. So we're going to be right in the middle here in the Dayton area, and actually just below normal. Tonight looks cold. We're going to drop down to 33 here in town. Some of the outlying spots may get just below freezing. So if you have some potted plants you've put out that don't do great in the cold air, you might want to bring those in, give them a little protection tonight. Temperatures, our wind speeds will actually be gusting up around 25-30 miles per hour through today. They do drop down tonight. The wind speed itself will relax, and the wind gusts will come down closer to 10 miles per hour as well. Right now it's 44. We have a sustained wind at 20 miles per hour, and that's giving us a decent wind chill. It feels like 36. Definitely want a warmer jacket if you do have to head out early. You can see all the clouds across the northern counties, and if you're standing in Dayton or south and look north, you'll see that cloud deck. That will continue to drop south as we head through lunchtime. And we will stay dry even though we're seeing clouds in the area. This area of low pressure stays to our north as it continues to cross the Great Lakes. High pressure is building in to keep us quiet today and tonight, and really most of tomorrow too. But this area of low pressure to our southwest will be tracking south of us tomorrow, so it's going to keep the clouds over the area and maybe bring in maybe a 10% chance of a shower. That's it. Future track has the clouds again along and north of 70 as we head through the mid-morning hours with still some sun. Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties. Going through lunchtime, we stay very similar to that. And then in the afternoon, everybody's cloudy as we head towards 5 o'clock. We're still dry overnight. The clouds are going to hang around into tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow it looks overcast through much of the day. About a 10% chance again of a passing shower, and it looks mainly like a sprinkle would be about it. Today we're mostly cloudy, a breezy, cooler afternoon with highs near 51 degrees. Tonight we'll drop all the way down to 33, so colder but dry, and the winds will die down tonight and they'll stay pretty decent tomorrow. Just between 5 and 10 miles per hour, not too bad at all. Cloudy and cool, the coolest day of the week with that slight chance of a sprinkle. Wednesday's dry, 52, and then the sun comes out again Thursday and Friday, and will actually warm back into the 60s, and we will stay in the 60s over the weekend with the next chance of rain showing up later in the day Saturday.